This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Amber Patrick. Check out this stunning two-owner home. This home was built in 1906 and has been well maintained. There are so many updates to this wonderful home, including wiring, plumbing, Pella windows, kitchen and bathrooms. This home has many original characteristics, including woodwork, pocket door and unique stained glass. This home has a large open kitchen with beautiful bathrooms. You are on a corner lot with a circle drive. Many beautiful flowers are landscaped with a deck and 8 feet fenced-in yard. This gem won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Amber Patrick at 309-833-4577.